Hello everyone. I am Firoz Yusuf Sheikh, Principal of Ahmad Abdullah Garib Private Industrial Training Institute located in Kausa Mumra district Thane of Maharashtra state that was established in 2003 with an objective of providing high standard of technical education to its students. It is managed by Bombay Mehman Education Society. We endeavor to provide quality of training to the youth to prepare them for globalized industrial standard. We are running 7 technical trades, that is computer operating and programming assistant COPA, fitter, electrician, draftsman civil, draftsman mechanical, motor mechanic vehicle MMV, and welder.
Ahmad Abdullah Garib Private Industrial Training Institute is comprised of 230 trainees supported by a 35 strong teaching and non-teaching staff. The institute is possessed of well illuminated and ventilated labs and classrooms equipped with audio-visual system to facilitate better understanding. When we are talking about our academic, firstly, our supervisor has started a daily tracking of training in line with the syllabus. During his round, he checks the trainee's absent record and verifies it with the absent record register in the office. We conduct exams in the format of monthly test, quarterly test, semester and preliminary examination. After every quarterly test, parents are called to show them the progress of trainees. Record of academic performance is a unique activity started by us where we keep the entire record of individual trainees together with the photographs of trainees and parents. A single Excel sheet illustrates the performance of a trainee. The library of our institute is indeed remarkable with an ambience that is truly appealing, providing a comfortable space to read and learn. Tabs with Wi-Fi connectivity are provided to trainees to advance their learning. We try to provide every child an enjoyable curriculum in a high quality, stimulating environment. We provide training to our trainees with an audio video setup. We aim to provide high quality, purposeful teaching to our trainees to ensure that they develop into successful learners and achieve their full potential. To increase awareness in our trainees of today's expectation by industry, we undertake industrial visits. To ensure a brighter and safer future for our trainees, we supplement the visits with safety workshops in our institute. Ahmad Abdullah Garib is not only geared to provide quality training but is also equally serious about maintaining hygiene in the institute premises. We track the work of housekeeping staff and rate them for progress achieved. At the annual day, we recognize the efforts by rewarding the best housekeeping staff. To support every child to become a responsible and caring member of the community, we insist that trainee be in complete uniform with safety shoes, eye card and well-cut hair. If a trainee fails in any manner, the security guard at the main gate will not allow him to enter. In case of a trainee requiring leave, parents of the trainees are required to inform the office between 9 am to 12 pm. The office clerk will make an entry on the register. If parents fail to inform the institute, then the following day, at the time of supervisor round, the trainee will be liable for punishment. Ahmad Abdullah Garib has a dual attendance system that uses both RFID and face reader. Its utility: when the trainee enters the main gate of the building with the provided radio frequency identification card, within 100 meters of the area, the time fixed radar on both sides of the building entrance, his card gets scanned automatically. When the trainee enters the trade department, he has to register his attendance through the face reader machine. After the merge RFID and face reader record, a message is sent to his parents daily. The same process follows at the time of exit. This ensures that parents get a daily entry and exit information easily. Use of these technologies has improved attendance. Along with this, We provide event and holiday information to parents through text SMS. Reporting time for trainees is 8:50 am. If the trainee comes between 8:50 am and 9 am, he will be considered as having come late. A maximum of 3 late coming in a month are accepted. However, after 9 am, trainees are not permitted to enter. Our institute is covered with a 360-degree CCTV camera, that is IP and PTZ with audio. Every 5 years we organize a Tech Fest in AAG PITI. The last Tech Fest was held in the year 2015 was very successful. Most of ITIs from Mumbai region participated. As every year, we successfully organize technical exhibition to explore our trainees' innovation through their unique projects. 16th technical exhibition has inaugurated by the Dr. Suvarna Kharat Madam, Joint Secretary, Skill Development and Entrepreneurship Department, Government of Maharashtra. She motivated and guided our trainees with her very warm speech.
ये हमेशा एक कहा जाता है कि आप कुछ भी करो, अच्छा करो, अच्छा कर सकते हो तो बेहतरीन करो, और मुझे लगता है कि ये संस्था बेहतरीन करने का प्रयास कर रही है.
Ahmed Abdullah Garib Institute was organized International Art Workshop on 5th December 2019. The event was open to schools in Mumra in addition to our trainees. This activity has make art awareness of trainees. In keeping with the concept of Fit India, Healthy India, we organize sporting events for our trainees with an annual sports and yoga workshops. To work in genuine partnership with families and the wider community, Ahmed Abdullah Garib PITI continuously arranges career guidance and apprenticeship programs with follow-ups with parents to make them aware of the same. Indian Oil Corporation Limited has organized education competitions over the last 2 years at the AAG PITI. The 2019 event was open to schools and colleges in Mumra in addition to our trainees. We want our trainees to be in step with innovation. We therefore arrange Arduino workshop with the help of Mr. Manohar Desai, an industry expert and NSDC certified master trainer. Over the last 3 years, we have conducted a series of robotics workshops by Friction Innovative Education LLP. To further develop our faculty, we organize workshop by EduTrainer Kochi and Kavish Master Trainer. We interact with IIT Bombay's experienced human resource who are our mentors to be further motivated and guided. With their help, we have started spoken tutorial LibreOffice for our trainees. Our trainees acquire on-job training every year with the help of MOU in various workshops. We arrange personality development, English speaking and mock interview workshops to prepare our trainees for interviews. The institute premises has a rainwater harvesting facility and waste management project. Here is our achievements. Students and staff from electrician trade underwent training of PLC at Siemens ITI logo contest, participated and invented keyless unlock remote control system that won the first prize in the logo competition. Ahmed Abdullah Garib Private Industrial Training Institute has been ranked first in Mumbai Metropolitan Region, second in Maharashtra State and 133rd in All India Institute ranking by Directorate General of Training DGT, New Delhi in 2018. The institute merited ISO 29990-2010 certification in March 2019. Participated in the IIT Bombay Tech Fest at Powai. 3 projects were presented: wood turning lathe, rice transplantation and automated multi-storage rack. Invited to participate in 3rd International Augmented Training Congress, Chennai, organized by Soldmatic. Automation lab was created in a collaboration with Siemens to enhance trainee skills in PLC. Library has been created with the objective of providing an environment that facilitates trainees to access trade literature, manuals, etc. The desire to provide greater understanding to trainees by reviewing audio visual of the working of equipments and the understanding of new concepts led to the development of the auditorium. Welder trade has been upgraded by the addition of a welding simulator to provide practice in different types of welding in a safe environment. Mechanic motor vehicle trade was further upgraded with a driving simulator and the engine gifted by BMW. Innovative and Incubation Lab was inaugurated for exploration of innovative ideas and in-house production. Exhibit Lab was inaugurated to house the exhibits of trainees from different trades. Fitness Center and Gymkhana was inaugurated with the views of creating a healthy workforce. As protection against fire, firefighting systems are installed. Sports ground is available to trainees to pursue sporting activities. Greenhouse is populated with plants of different varieties. Hydraulic and pneumatic training kits benefit trainees. To meet fitter trade syllabus requirement, we procured hydraulic and pneumatic training kits. Language lab has been set up to facilitate communication skills and develop the personality of trainees. Maths lab was created to assist easy understanding of mathematical concept by trainees. To encourage safety in a work, a safety cell has been built to train scholars in a different level of safety. When we are talking about road ahead, as started earlier, we are going to organize AAGP ITI TechFest 2020 very soon. Our effort will be to make it larger than the previous.
You can say innovation is a habit of Ahmed Abdullah Garib Private Industrial Training Institute. So, very soon we are going to set up a virtual lab on 3rd floor of institute building.
A first in our ITI is the setup of hardware embedded and robotic lab with the guidance and support of field experts.
It is my pleasure to announce that Ahmed Abdullah Garib Private Industrial Training Institute has started admission for the session 2020 and 21. For more information, kindly visit to our website aagpiti.in or contact the below mentioned mobile numbers. Thank you.